I know we like to make maths questions realistic these days to apply to the real world, but this question actually, I think, confuses matters. But anyway, what it says is the diagram shows three parallel paths with a cycle track connecting them. Anyway, there are three parallel paths here, and I'm assuming this is a cycle track. So I'm going to show you two methods of doing this. I'm going to label these angles here A, B. I'm going to label an angle here C, and this one here D. Okay, so the first thing we know is that supplementary angles equal 180 degrees. So A equals 180 minus 145, and that's equal to 35 degrees. Okay, angles inside a triangle equal 180 degrees. So we'll call this E. So E equals 180 minus 35 plus 80 degrees here. And that equals 65 degrees. So again, we've got a supplementary angle here. So supplementary angle D equals 180 minus 65 is equal to 115 degrees. And we can say here that the corresponding angles are the same. So y equals 115 degrees. So here's the second method. There are actually several ways of doing this, but here's another way. So what we're going to say now is that alternate interior angles are the same. So C equals 145 degrees. So those are alternate interior angles. Okay, so they're going to be the same. Now, so we're going to have another angle here, E. So E equals 145 degrees minus the 80 which is equal to 65 degrees. So E 65 degrees. Now we know consecutive interior angles equal 180 degrees, so D equals 180 minus 65, which is equal to 115 degrees. And we know corresponding angles, these are corresponding angles, D and Y, corresponding angles D and Y are the same. So Y equals 115 degrees. Now notice there are only 2 marks here, so I'm not sure whether you've been taught corresponding angles or consecutive interior angles. There's no need to know those names really, and you can make it much, you can just do the calculations, and I think they'll basically accept even if you do this in your head. But it is useful to just do a little bit of working here to show what you've done. But you don't need to go to the extremes I have here, unless it asks you for all your workings. You'll be marked on your workings. Now there are 2 parts to this question. This is more of an algebra question really. All you need to know in terms of trigonometry is that the angles, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So angles of triangle equal 180 degrees, which is equal to x plus 3x plus 5x. So if you work that out, that's equal 180 degrees equals x plus 3x is 4x plus 5x is 9x. And so x equals 180 degrees over 9, which is equal to 20 degrees. Now remember, it's saying calculate the size of each of the angles in the triangle. So angles are 20 degrees for that one, and if you need to you can work these out separately, but 3 times 20 is 60, and 5 times 20 is 100, and that's all you need to do. You can check this back. If you add these 3 angles together, they come to 180 degrees.